Hello, welcome to Hexalt Dutch School. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the Dutch vowel combination. A and J. Together, they form I, a diphthong, which means two vowels gliding into one smooth sound. This sound is pronounced exactly the same as I, but it is spelled differently. You will see it in many common Dutch words. Let us break it down step by step. Step 1. Start by saying day, like in the English words pen or bed. Your mouth should be slightly open. Your tongue should stay low and relaxed. Step 2. Together, they form I, a diphthong, without any pause, glides into a short AA. Like in the word machine. Your tongue gently moves up, and your lips stretch just a little. The sound I must flow like one connected sound, not two separate syllables. You can remember it like this: say he very quickly, as one unit. It sounds similar to the AE in day or hey, but make sure it is short and controlled, not too long or dramatic. Let us practice. Listen to the sound now. Try repeating it after me. I. 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 Now let us try using it in real Dutch words. Blij, which means happy. Mijn, which means mine. Tijd, which means time. That is how you pronounce the Dutch diphthong. I. Keep practicing. You are doing great. See you in the next session. Bye.